How much is a fence going to cost these people this year?
Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how much you can expect to spend on a vinyl fence in 2026 using 3 jobs that we recently completed. Then we're going to go over the specifics at what determines the cost of your vinyl fence. Let's get into it with the first example. As you'll see here, we have just one line of fence going across the rear of the property. Now in this case, we have 70 feet, which comes out to 10 sections and 11 posts. This is going to cost you about $1,600 in material and about $1,200 in labor. Now also note on the contract that there was no takedown at this property. The existing fence belonged to the neighbor and it stayed up. If you have to remove your old fence, you could factor in about another $100 to $200 depending on the company and dump fees in your area. Now let's move on to example number 2. Now as you'll see in this example, you have a similar amount of fencing along the side, but it looks a whole lot more complicated. This example was in Whitestone, New York, that is in New York City, and all the posts were getting core drilled into concrete. Now, whether we're core drilling into concrete to preserve the aesthetic of that surface or we're jackhammering through it, each post we install is going to be more expensive than if we were just digging into dirt. In addition, this property added a gate, which is going to increase the price about $400 when you factor in the gate and the necessary hardware. The total for this job was $4,500, and it comes out to about $2,500 in material and $2,000 in labor. Now, the final example we're going to look at is if you were doing a full perimeter around your property. That is, both fronts, sides, and back with a gate on each side. The example I chose is a normal residential property, as you'll see by the drone shot here. And the total on this was about $8,000. That is $5,200 in material and $2,800 in labor. Keep in mind that this property was all dug into dirt. If we had to jackhammer or core drill any of the posts, that would lead to an increase in price.
So the things that are going to affect the price of your PVC fence, obviously the style of the fence. A plain, simple privacy fence is going to be less money than a fence that has lattice on top or any kind of design. Also the color of the fence. White is going to be your least expensive, followed by your basic colors of beige and adobe, khaki and gray. And then after that, any of your wood tones or even the fences with a texture and a wood tone are going to be significantly more than a white fence. Hire a quality company. Don't hire that guy who does it on the weekends. You might pay less, but it's going to cost you more in the long run. I could almost guarantee it. Quality company with a location that you could drive to, talk to people who've been in business for a long time. You're going to pay for that because they're doing things the right way, legally. The employees are being paid a fair wage. They're not being paid off the books. A quality company is going to buy a quality fence because their reputation really depends on putting out fences that are going to look good a year from now, 2 years from now, 5, 10 years from now. They're not in it for the quick hit. They're in it for the long haul, like we are. We've been here since 1947. People know that if they buy a fence from us, we're shopping for good fencing. We're not buying garbage, and I won't install garbage, ever.
So guys, keep in mind that all the example contracts that I showed you in this video were white solid privacy vinyl, which is the least expensive option. If you guys do want to see some more examples of colors and different styles, subscribe to our channel. We have a ton of videos where we showcase all the different kinds of vinyl fences that we offer. And I'm Alex. This is my father, Dennis. We've been running this place for a long time, and if you're interested in hiring us for your fence, please text or call this number. Thank you very much for watching.
And if you go on YouTube, you'll see more videos of me.
He's a movie star.
I'm a movie star.